MetaTrader 4 winning strategy. This strategy is strictly meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on derived platform. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. We have a lot of good forex brokers outside there. Do check them out. You can easily do this by typing best forex regulated brokers into your Google search bar, and you see a lot of regulated forex brokers there that you can register from. After you pick any brokers you want to register with, make sure you open an account with them. Open a demo account and try all your strategy on regulated forex brokers demo accounts. Try all your strategy, either paid forex strategy, paid forex indicator, paid forex signals on the demo account before you go live. When you are okay with your strategy, then you can go ahead to try it out on your live account. Do not go live until you've tried your strategy on demo account, which is on regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out. In my video description, I did drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and do open an account with them. This strategy is meant for MT4 and not MT5. You cannot use it on derived platform. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. Before you go ahead to place any trade, do make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there's any news that may likely affect your trading or your analysis before you place that particular trade. If there's any news concerning any pair, you might stay away 30 minutes before the news and 30 minutes after the news. Better still, you can stay away completely from that particular pairs for the day. Do check Forex Factory or other forex news aggregator before you place any trade. This particular strategy can be used on any forex pairs. You can use it on metal like gold, silver, platinum, and other metals you have on your MT4. This can be used on forex pairs like Euro USD, Great Britain pounds, Great Britain pounds Canadian dollar, Great Britain pounds Japanese yen, USD JPY. This can be used to trade cryptocurrency and crypto pairs on your MetaTrader 4, and you can trade stocks with this particular strategy like Amazon stock, Google stock, Facebook stock, Tesla stocks, as many stocks you have on your MetaTrader 4. Now let's move on to today's strategy. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do subscribe and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning forex trading strategy on a regulated forex brokers. I have combined few indicators together for this particular forex trading strategy analysis. Make sure you follow me closely as I explain each of these indicators and the combination, and I'll show you the setting in the course of this video. Make sure you watch through. I just have 3 indicators on my chart right now, Trade Forex Tools. And this particular indicator strategy can be used on any forex pair and on any time frame. Here is the first indicator that gives us this arrow and this candle color. Here is the second indicator, and I have another indicator on the indicator window. Here is another, the third indicator, this arrow indicator here, and this box. Now, how do I use this particular indicators combined together, all the individual indicator. Here is it on 15 minutes on gold. The first thing you have to look out for, this arrow must be present before you place any trade and with this box. And you must have for a buy, you must have this arrow too. All the three indicators, let me call it three because it's actually two indicators, must be in agreement. Then on the indicator window, this must be in agreement. The green must be above the red for a buy, and for a sell this must turn to orange color and it must be below the red line for a sell, and it must be in agreement with other indicators before you place that particular trade. Now, how do I use this? As I said, you can use it on any time frame. So let me explain how to use it on 30-minute time frame, or let's use 15-minute time frame since we have all the signal here. Now at this particular point we have a buy signal generated and we have all the three indicators. So let me keep on calling it three because the arrow was present, and we have this other arrow too, and we have the box for a buy. And when you check the indicator window, we have the lime color is above the red for a buy. So this is a good point to place a trade, and your stop loss will just be few pips below the previous low before this signal was generated, and this did give us a good ride. And when you check this also, we have another indicator here, but we do not have the third arrow, number one. And when you check this is not below the green color is not below the red, it did not cross, so we are not going to place this particular trade, and the candle remained this particular color, it has not changed. So this is a good buy. And for a sell, let's check out if we have another sell signal on the chart here right now. And here's another sell signal. We have the red arrow here, we have this, and we have the third box, and the orange color is below the red color. So this is a good sell signal, and your stop loss will be few pips above the previous high, and your take profit can be 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. Let's check it out on other pairs. As I said, you can use it on any time frame, and this is on gold. So let's check it out on other Forex pair. Yes, on Nasdaq. This particular strategy can be used on indices too. This is on Nasdaq, and this is 1 minute, 1 hour time frame rather, and we have all the indicators in agreement here. We have it in agreement here for a sell. And when we check on lower time frame, like 15-minute time frame, it did give us a good signal. Here we have it here. We have another sell signal here. For buy did confirm it, and for a sell we have it at this particular point. So let's check it on Great Britain pounds Japanese yen. Yes, it on Great Britain pounds Japanese yen on 15-minute time frame. It's still the same methodology. Yes, it on 1 hour time frame. So we have all the indicators in agreement. For a sell, we have all the indicators in agreement, and your stop loss will be a few pips above the previous high for a sell and for a buy few pips below the previous low, and you ride the trend. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. We have a lot of best forex brokers outside there, and we have a lot of scams outside there too. So make sure you do the right thing and trade on regulated forex broker. Open an account with them and do try it out on demo account before you go live. Now let me show you all the indicators I use for this particular forex trading strategy on MetaTrader 4 and on regulated forex brokers. So the first indicator is this CDOS cross indicator. These are the values, though you can play with the values, but this is what I'm using, and this is the color. This indicator that did give us the arrow and the box. And the second indicator is a fractal channel indicator. This particular indicator here, and that do give us this candle color, though you can change the color to anything you want, and you can adjust anything you want also. So here is it here. These are the colors. You can pause the video and set it up, or you use my template. And click OK when you are done. Then I have the symbol changer that I change from pairs to pairs. I will not include it in this indicator. I know a lot of people have it already, and the pairs you trade might be different. It might have more than 6 value. Instead of Great Britain, pounds, Japanese yen, yours might have either dot something behind or in front, and if I give you the template, it might not work. And the last indicator on the indicator window is adaptive indicator. These are my colors, and this is the setting or the values for the indicators. So just click OK when you are done, and make sure you do this on regulated forex broker. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. The download links to all the indicators I use for this particular forex trading strategy on MetaTrader 4 and on regulated forex broker is in the video description. Make sure you check it out and download it. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader Joe, and bye for now.